Guys, real quick, before this video starts, time is running out for our second horsepower sweepstakes giveaway. If you haven't seen it, guess what? Vortech V1 Supercharger kit, AFR 185 aluminum heads, Holley System Max intake, and a matched Anderson B31 blower cam. And just for the holidays, throwing in an LMR $250 gift card just to help you get everything installed. So here's the deal. Hit the link below, horsepowersweepstakes.com. Grab your key tag, limit 10 per person, and we may just be sending you a whole lot of horsepower for the holidays. All right, boys, as promised, Nick's got his shop done. So, of course, got to give you an update on Dover's car. Hey, there's Dover. Dover's car. So, latest addition to the Dover mobile. Yes, Dover does have another Fox body.
Black coupe.
Got the, Steve got all the mini tubs in. Dude, it's gonna look so good. Man, it's gonna look good. So it's getting paint and engine bay. He's gonna kind of just finish it up. You had it mostly done.
Mostly, I filled in more holes than I should have, so we're gonna put holes back in.
Yeah. She's gonna look good. Maybe a Godzilla, or I don't know. We don't know.
Maybe be another 6 years for it.
No, once we get it painted, we gotta start putting this thing together. And of course, Project Frostbite. I don't think he's really done anything on it. Oh yeah, he started priming doing some engine bay work, it looks like. So yeah, guys, there sits Project Frostbite and Dover's car. But yeah, guys, he finally, after all this time, Nick's got his shop going, got an actual paint booth. You guys, you know how good a work he did before when he had his tiny shop and no paint booth. So yeah, very excited about this. So huge shout out and congratulations to Nick on getting his shop done. We're definitely gonna keep him busy, that's for sure. Lots.
Whether we want to or not.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. All right. All right, guys, so there you go. Update on Project Frostbite and Dover's FHP. We got shit everywhere.
We're gonna cover that hole up too this time.
Oh yeah. We're not doing the bullhorn?
No.
I kind of dig the bull. We'll just right up there. All right, I guess we're gonna get back to the shop. All right, boys, back out at the shop, and I've been keeping this from you. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So I think it was last Sunday. Dover called me up and he's like, "Hey, I found something." I was like, "Oh God." But yeah, long story short, straight little 4-eye notch. I'm not even gonna, guys, drop me a comment below if anybody goes off the top of the bumper.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
But anyway, good straight 4-eye notch, and it's got racing seats. Ooh, that door doesn't want to open all the way. But yeah, guys, she's all there. Not 100% sure yet what we're gonna do with it, but yeah, overall, I mean, it's got some kind of janky paint work under the hood here, but I mean, overall, guys, this is one of those deals, if you see it, price is right and it's close, just get it and figure it out later. But we have been discussing a few options for this car, and I think you guys are gonna like it. All right, so option one, we've still got this 351 here, and here's another little trick, guys. You can find these old freaking church vans, and they've got basically low miles on them, and they're extremely well maintained. Well, guess what this freaking thing's got? It's got a Windsor in it, and this is a, what year is this damn thing? I think it's a 92. But yeah, low mile, I think it's got like 65,000 miles on it, 351 Windsor. And my thought was yank this thing out, throw a carburetor, some long tubes, and a stick shift, or C4, I don't know, and throw it in this car, because we got an 8.8 with it. Other option Dover brought up is put the Godzilla in this, just do a quick, like, get it in there, get it running Godzilla, and just kind of go from there, see how we like it, because we have no experience with a Godzilla. We know they're badass, but anyway, we still got that 351 sitting there, which I think would be really cool with a big 4-barrel and single plane intake and some long tubes. So I don't know, just some options, but guys, we're always hatching some sort of idea. All right, boys, so there you go. Just a quick update of what we got going on. The weather has been garbage. It's freaking cold. It's holidays, so I know the content's a little bit slow, but always got some cool stuff coming for you. And of course, you know, FROSTBITE's at paint. That's gonna be epic. Can't wait to see that thing come back. And Dover's car, mini tubbed, it's getting fresh paint. Gonna see that very soon. And man, just excited for all the freaking projects. And a lot of work, but damn, it's a lot of fun. But drop us a comment below, guys. What do you think we should do with the this little 4i here? Because 4i's rock too. And I think it needs either the Windsor or the Godzilla. We're just not 100% sure of what. So drop me a comment below, let me know what you think. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you guys on the next one.